Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
In 2024, interior design trends are embracing a harmonious blend of contemporary aesthetics and sustainable living, with a particular focus on incorporating nature-inspired elements into home decor. One standout trend is the use of green sofas as statement pieces within interior spaces. A green sofa serves as a bold yet sophisticated focal point, adding depth, vibrancy, and a sense of connection to the natural world. Whether it's a rich emerald hue, a soft sage green, or a muted olive tone, green sofas evoke a sense of serenity and tranquility while infusing the space with personality and style. When incorporating a green sofa into interior design, it's essential to consider the overall color palette and mood of the space. Green pairs beautifully with earthy tones such as warm browns, soft creams, and natural wood finishes, creating a cohesive and inviting atmosphere reminiscent of lush landscapes and verdant forests. To enhance the visual impact of a green sofa, consider layering textures and patterns throughout the space. Cozy throws, plush pillows, and tactile rugs in complementary colors and materials add depth and dimension, creating a sense of warmth and comfort. Incorporating botanical prints, leaf motifs, or botanical-inspired artwork further enhances the connection to nature, infusing the space with a fresh and rejuvenating energy. Lighting also plays a crucial role in highlighting the beauty of a green sofa. Natural light streaming in through windows accentuates the color and texture of the fabric, while strategically placed lighting fixtures such as pendant lights, floor lamps, or sconces create a warm and inviting ambience. Consider incorporating light fixtures with organic shapes or natural materials such as wrought tan or woven bamboo to complement the natural theme. In terms of furniture and accessories, opt for pieces that complement the green sofa without overpowering it. Choose neutral-colored furniture with clean lines and minimalist designs to create a sense of balance and harmony within the space. Incorporate natural materials such as wood, wrought tan, and ceramic accents to add warmth and texture, while metallic finishes such as brass or gold accents lend a touch of luxury and sophistication. In summary, incorporating a green sofa into interior design adds a refreshing and rejuvenating element to the space, evoking the tranquility of nature and embracing the principles of sustainable living. By pairing the green sofa with earthy tones, natural textures, and botanical-inspired accents, you can create a stylish and inviting interior that celebrates the beauty of the outdoors while providing a comfortable and cozy retreat for relaxation and enjoyment.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!